We're hiking through the night tonight with our tight new flashlight from ThruNite. This is the Catapult V6 SST70 Desert Tan Edition, and this might be one of my new favorite flashlights. These flashlights are virtually indestructible, and I cannot wait to test it. The flashlight comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started, so we're going to cut right into the action and check out what's inside. Inside the box, you can find your manual, a lanyard, and spare O-rings, a USB-C charging cable, a holster with belt strap, and of course the Catapult V6 SST70. It comes in black as well as desert tan. We chose the desert tan, and I just love how this flashlight looks. The way it shimmers in the light just looks awesome. Not only does it look good, but it feels good in the hand. The textured handle gives a good grip, and the rugged design makes it so strong. It's constructed with an aerospace grade aluminum body. This allows the Catapult V6 to withstand drops up to 1.5 meters with ease. The Catapult V6 is also powered by a 5000 mAh battery, making the battery life really impressive. And if that's not enough, it's even Ipx8 Waterproof. Now on to the moment you've all been waiting for, the brightness test. I took it out to the trails and I turned it on max brightness. The Catapult V6 SST70 has an incredible shine distance of 756 yards and can shine 2,836 lumens. It's so bright that you won't miss a thing. Although, my husky must have been blinded by the light and missed something right in front of her. But that's okay, because if you want to change the brightness, you can press and hold the button on the side to cycle through the brightness settings. Then you can double press the button to enable turbo mode, triple press to enable strobe, and long press to enable firefly. I've been loving my new flashlight. It's so incredibly bright, it's durable, and it looks so cool. Before this, I had to walk through my trails like a caveman, but now I have a stylish and cool looking torch to light my way through the night. So if you're looking for a new flashlight that will allow you to see everything, this flashlight might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, then please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go patrol the farm again. See ya.